Yeah.
A pro. That's all you need.
Right.
Here you go, some slave labor. Have a sister. Well, first thing, you want that underneath the car. Yeah, yeah. Please don't drop it.
Yeah, no, it's just like it's a lot lighter than I thought it was gonna be. So, like,
Today I'm teaching this one how to change the oil on the Lancer because the Lancer needs its oil changed. Oh, and we're in quarantine. Everyone's in lockdown and quarantine, so we've got to do something. Alrighty, you know where it's draining out from? See that big thing that looks like an oil pan? That is an oil pan. The bolt's on the other side. You want to undo that bolt. Make sure this is underneath. Crack the bolt loose first.
oh my god.
Just don't actually undo it, otherwise you will get a face full of oil. God, push!
No.
Do you need me to crank it out first?
Yep.
Okay.
It's not moving at all.
Don't drop the spanner into there, otherwise you're going fishing. Alrighty, so keep that pressure on the bolt as well. So you don't have to push hard, just like kind of a little bit at least.
Yeah.
Keep going.
And it's tight again.
Stuck again. Jesus Christ, what is wrong with this bolt? Yeah, that's looking good. Alright, does it feel loose? Pull it out real quick. Pull it out quick. There you go. Look at that, getting some oil on your hands.
Yum.
So I think there's 4 bolts to this one, so you gotta undo those 4 bolts. That pan will drop off, then you can access the filter. So see how this is really short? You don't have much leverage on the bolt. We can extend that. There you go, a bit easier.
Yeah.
If you want, get that oil drain bolt again. Screw that back on, because oil is drained out now.
Yeah.
And it's gone. You're fishing. You're gonna have a dirty hand today.
No.
Okay, we'll do that last then.
I thought you were holding it.
Nope. There you go. There we go. Alright, I got this one. Going, oh, it looked like it was budging. Oh, you've almost got it. I see it moving. I see it moving. It's just about breaking that seal.
It's not.
Do you want me to break it loose first?
I think so. 'Cause it's not. No. Is that even like where it's supposed to be?
I'm just gonna move this to catch that little drip.
Oh. Pull it off?
Yep, and then just drop it into there. Don't drop it though, otherwise you will get splashed. Okay, that plastic cover. Yep, take that off.
Scary.
Stab it, do whatever you want. Use something to puncture it.
Nails.
That'll do. See, that's a rubber O-ring.
Yeah.
What you want is a little bit of oil on that so that spins, like it doesn't go on dry onto there, because if you then fold or crease that O-ring, that's when you get an oil leak. If you need more, you can get more. There's obviously plenty available.
Drip.
But we had Spares Box bringing us the goods again. I ordered this like 3 days ago and it came just so quickly, which is brilliant. So this is the new sump plug because the old one was cross-threaded. Not sure what damage is done to the actual sump, but I do not have the tools to be re-threading, re-tapping, I think is the word. So I'm hoping a new plug clean up the threads, assuming those ones inside are damaged. Hold up, we got to move the cart forward first. I'm like in the process of making a half pipe quarter pipe actually, because the other half is, I don't know when the other half is going to be made. If you want to see that on this channel, let me know. Otherwise it's going on the other channel, the traveling muck arounds, whatever one. You got to get in the car so you can steer. Yeah. Just don't actually start the car because there's no oil. Steer right a little bit, steer right, muscle.
Turning.
That'll do.
Yep, that's...
Not really happening?
No.
Nope, you're just retarded.
Wait, which way were you turning it?
Um...
You were turning it that way, right?
Yeah. How's it feeling? Does it feel like it's snugging up a little bit now?
Yeah.
Put a little bit more into it. Oh, nope, make sure it's actually sitting on the bolt. That's looking better. There we go. Crank it in a little bit more. That sounds good. Cool. Yeah, pump it up.
Yep, okay.
See the lever on the jack stand? Pull that up. Good. Pull it out. Put the bar on that.
Put the bar on that.
Yep. And twist it anti-clockwise. Slowly.
Oh shit.
You need to put a bit of, you need both hands. Yep. Slowly. You shit bricks. Alright, that comes off. Hold that under it so we don't drip oil everywhere. Gonna take it for a drive? We'll go down to the dirt road. Yeah, you do. Yeah, it's easier to drive than the Subaru.
Okay.
I know I'm running no air filter, but we're not really doing that much driving. You gotta like...
Yeah, you know what?
That should be alright. Give the gas a little pump.
I can't reach it.
Pretty sure it's as forward as it goes anyway.
Oh,
Yeah.
Are you serious?
There we go. Yep. Just let it run. Turn the fan on as well, the one on the left. Yep. Alright, more speed before you change. More speed. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. More. There you go, now change. That's better.
Hell yeah.
It's a slow car, so you gotta you gotta really rev it out a little.